Hi everyone, again welcome back to my channel Unfinished Curious Mind. Today in this video, uh, we will mainly focus on primates, understanding primates, our close relatives. So, there are some misconceptions about primates. So, in this series or in this first video of understanding primates, I have tried to deliver some of the. I'll try my best to deliver some of the videos which will be on primate and their. This is This video. This first video is mainly based on the introduction of primates, and then there will be the other videos which I'll try to make on the morphological and anatomical functions of primates. So I hope this playlist will help you to understand primates better. Again, some quick introduction if we talk about primate. Before that, primatology is itself a subject which comes under anthropology. It's a subfield that we study under biological anthropology. So primates are very integral part of, also very integral part of an anthropologist journey of learning anthropology. And some of the anthropologists further conduct their studies on primatology, though it is not very popular among Indian anthropologists, but uh, when talking about the primatology and primates, there are these comes with the uh, our biological evolution part along with. So this video is basically focusing the primates, and so further not wasting my time and not wasting yours also, so let's dive into it uh, for quick understanding of primates. Okay, let's begin. So in this video of introduction to primates, talking about primates which are our closest relative in the animal kingdom. Our means humans, animal kingdom, as you can see in this image. So uh, we will be exploring their fascinating characteristics and evolutionary history and their behaviors and anatomical features. By the end of this playlist on primates, I hope you will gain a deeper appreciation for these remarkable creatures and their importance to our ecosystem and in our study. So, if we start looking at the definition of the primates, the primate is basically a order which is a diverse group of mammals that includes not only humans but also apes, monkeys, and prosimian like lemur. Primates are characterized several distinct features. Their forward-facing eyes. This trait allows for enhanced depth of perception, crucial for navigating complex arboreal environment. Flexible limbs. Their limbs are adapted for a variety of movements, including climbing and grasping, which is particularly important for tree-dwelling species. Grasping hands and feet. Most primates possess opposable thumb, allowing them to grasp branches and manipulate objectives effectively. These characteristics have enabled primates to occupy a wide range of ecological niches. For example, lemurs are adapted to a life in Madagascar's forest, while howler monkey thrives in the canopies of Central America rainforest. Each species exhibit unique adaptation that help them survive and flourish their specific environment. Now, if we talk about the evolution of primate, in the very beginning of the introduction of this video, I have talked about how it is related with the evolution. So, in this slide, we will primarily focus on the how evolution of primates took place. Now, uh, primates are believed to have originated around 65 million years ago during the Paleocene epoch, shortly after the extinction of dinosaurs. Early primates are early primates were small nocturnal creatures that likely lived in trees. As we as we move through the timeline, we see significant development. New World monkeys. So, what are New World monkeys? These monkeys found in South America, they are evolved around 35 million years ago. They are characterized by their prehensile tails, which allow them to grasp and swing from branches. Now again comes old world monkeys. These species includes baboon, macaws emerged around 25 million years ago in Africa and Asia. Unlike their new world counterparts, old world monkey have non-prehensile tails and are generally larger. Then comes hominoids. We consider them as our direct ancestors. The hominoids diverged from a common ancestor with chimpanzees around 6 to 7 million years ago. This marks a critical point in our evolutionary history as it led to the emergence of human traits like bipedalism and large brain size. Overall, evolution of primates not only illustrates the adaptability and diversity of this order, but also showcasing how different species have evolved to meet the challenges of their environments. There are some classification of primates. Primates are classified into several major groups based on the shared characteristics and evolutionary history. Talking about the prosimians, this group includes lemur, lorises, and tarsiers. Prosimians are often considered as the most primitive primates and characterized by their reliance on smell and relatively smaller brains compared to other primates. Now, platyrrhini, which are also known as New World monkey, specifically platyrrhines are commonly known as New World monkey, found primarily in South America. These monkey include species like um, capuchins and spider monkeys. They are distinguished by their flat noses and prehensile tails, which are used for grasping and support while navigating through trees. Talking about the Catirrhini, commonly known as Old World monkeys and apes, this group is divided into old monkeys such as baboon and macaws, apes, uh, including gibbons, orangutan, gorilla, chimpanzees, and humans. Catarrhines have down-facing nostrils and larger body size. Apes, in particular, are known for their advanced cognitive abilities and lack of tails. As we can see from this classification, primates exhibit a range of adaptations that reflect their evolutionary paths and ecological roles. Now, talking about primate behavior and social structure, primate behavior is incredibly diverse and varies significantly across species. Their social structures can be classified into several types, including solitary living, monogamous pairs, and large groups. Social structure, for example, chimpanzees like in complex social group called communities, which can consist of 20 to over 100 individuals. These groups have intricate hierarchies and social relationship with grooming playing a vital role in maintaining bonds. So, talking about the tool use, many primates are known for their adaptability to use tools, which often highlights their intelligence. For instance, chimpanzees have been observing using stick to extract uh, termites from mound rock to crack open nuts, and leaves as sponginess to soak up water. Now, talking about the playing behavior, play is a very crucial for social development among primates, especially for infants. Plays, fighting, and social games help young primates learn about their social environments and develop physical skills necessary for survival. These behaviors not only showcase the cognitive abilities of primates but also the importance of social inheritance in their lives. So as we talk about the communication, primate also communicate. Now we will understand how they try to communicate with each other. So, like us, communication is also essential for primates also. They also interact and maintain social bond with their communication, with their own style of communication. Though this communication method vary from primate to primate. Now, vocalization. Different species have unique vocal cords that convey specific message. For example, vervet monkey have a distinct alarm calls that warn of different predators. Specific calls for leopards, snakes, and eagles, allowing group members to react accordingly. Facial expression and body language. Primates use facial expressions such as baring teeth, raising eyebrows, and to express emotions like aggression, submission, or playfulness. Body language, including grooming and physical proximity, also communicates social status and relationship. Many primates use gestures such as hand signals or postures to convey information. Uh, for instance, chimpanzees may reach out their hands to request grooming or support. Understanding primate communication provides insight into their social structures and complexity of their interactions. Primates and conservation. Unfortunately, in many primate species are facing serious threats that endanger their survival. uh, Habitat loss. So, deforestation for agriculture, urbanization has drastically reduced available habitat for many primate species. For instance, the destruction of rainforests in Southeast Asia has critically endangered the orangutan population. The human and poaching. Primates are often hunted for bush meat or captured for the illegal pet trade. These not only reduce their population but also disrupt the social structures within their group. Uh, uh, we all are aware how climate changing impacting on ourselves. Similarly, how it's how the patterns of climate shifts primates patterns of climate shift has creating impacts on the primate habitats. They are also getting affected by this, which can lead to food shortage and increased competition among species. In response to this threat, conservation efforts are underway, establishing protected areas, wild reserves, and conducting um, rainforestation projects and engaging local communities in conservation initiatives are crucial strategies. Also, by providing education and awareness campaigning, play a vital role in promoting the protection of these animals and their habitats. The role of primate in ecosystem. Primate definitely play a crucial role in maintaining healthy ecosystem. One of the significant contribution in their uh, role as seed disperse. Now, seed dispersal, many primates consume fruits and later excrete the seed at different locations, promoting forest regeneration. For instance, howler monkey and copin monkey, uh, capture monkey help disperse seed of various tree species, contributing to biodiversity in their habitat. Now, indicator species. Primates are often seen as indicator species, meaning their presence and health can reflect the overall condition of their ecosystem. For example, a deadline um, uh, when talking about a decline in primate population may indicate environmental issues such as habitat destruction or pollution. By understanding the ecological role of primate, we can appreciate their importance beyond just being our closest relatives. They are vital to the health of their ecosystem. So, in a conclusion, primates are not only our closest relatives but also play a critical and integral role in their ecosystem. Their diverse behaviors, complex social structures, and significant contribution to biodiversity highlight the importance of protection these remarkable animals. So, understanding their evolution, behavior, and challenges, how they face, is crucial for effective conservation efforts. By working to protect primates, we also protect the ecosystems they are inhabit and ensure the healthier planet for all species, including ourselves. Mm, Thank you for this opportunity to you all. Now, I would like to be have some questions and discussion. Uh, So I am just throwing a question to you all. What are your thoughts on importance of primates in our ecosystems, and do you have any specific question about the species we covered today or conservation efforts? So please do comment below uh, to give your answers. I will be happy to know your response. Thank you.